Okay guys, here's that beautiful, beautiful dish. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? You can see the spinach, you can see pieces of mushrooms poking through out of there. You can see all that wonderful cheese melted on top. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Okay, these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make this lazy man breakfast. Everything in one skillet. Yes, everything in one skillet. So we're going to have some spinach, we're going to have some mushrooms, eggs, garlic, green onion. That's all. Just one green onion to give it a little bit of a kick. Olive oil or grapeseed oil and some cheese. There I have mozzarella, and I'm also going to use a little Parmesan. So that's all you're gonna need to make this lazy man breakfast. Okay, so let's put our little olive oil in here. My mushrooms, because you know, mushrooms a lot of times will give off a liquid once you cook them, when you start cooking them, and I don't want that liquid in here. So I'm just gonna start cooking the mushrooms ahead of time. So let's let those cook a little bit. Just let these mushrooms cook down a little bit, and then I'll show you the next step. And I put them in this little lettuce spinner, and then I try to get as much water off as possible. And the mushrooms, the same thing. Oh, look at, they're coming along beautiful, guys. They are coming along right now. Get out of my kitchen. Good enough to eat right now, right? Good. And those mushrooms are going to be so juicy. We'll let that cook a little bit. Okay, we just turned it back up. Let it heat up. Spreading everything out so it looks nice. And then we're gonna just put our eggs in there. So you can call this, I call it lazy man's breakfast. You can call it frittata. You can call it a quiche. You can call it anything, but don't call it late for breakfast. I know that sounds a little odd, guys, but okay. So let's let that get warmed up. And oh, about ready. I can tell when I'm about ready to put my cheese on, and then I'm going to put the remaining cheese on top. Let me put my oven on broil. So now all you got to do is put your eggs into the same skillet. You don't have 50,000 skillets and pots and pans, and you know, you can put any ingredient in here that you want. You don't have to put the mushrooms in. You can just do the spinach. Or you don't have to do the spinach, you can just do the mushrooms. Okay, so now let's pour in our egg mixture. Give you a better overview of it. This is how the egg mixture is coming along. Okay? See? That's it. So at this point, all we're going to do is cook it and take our time and this cook and let it get nice and firm all around. It will cook, guys. Just let it go and let it cook. And I will come back to you in a minute and show you how it's supposed to look when you're getting ready to put it in the oven. Okay, so it's starting to bubble. You want it to cook all around there. So you just let it be, let it be. And it's going to cook. And as it cooks, we're going to move it like that. See? We're going to move it just like this around the edges so that the cooked can get cooked and so that the cooked won't burn and the uncooked. You know what I mean, guys. Forget it. I'm not going to go through all that, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay. So I'll come back in a few minutes and let you see what we're doing. Let you see what we're working with. Okay, so right around these edges, see? Just pull it in like this so that everybody can get cooked really good. Just pull it in. And just let it. You don't have to keep doing this. Take its time. Okay, look beautiful, guys. Oh yes. So you can see in there. See the eggs how they're starting to cook, and you just want to pull it in just a little bit like that. That's all. Pull it in just a little bit. Yes, ma'am. Oh, that's beautiful. See? To be so good. Quick breakfast. Taking me longer to show you guys how to do it than actually if I were to just do it though. Okay. You're gonna pull it in. Pull it in one more time. Give everybody a chance to cook. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, look lovely. Okay. So we'll just kind of let this simmer a little bit longer so that my eggs will solidify a little bit more. Then we'll put it in the under the broiler for a few minutes to let it finish up and with the rest of our cheese, and we have our breakfast. I'll come back and show you that in a minute. So this is how it's looking. I'm just going to sprinkle the last of this cheese. I'm just gonna put it on top of here. Okay, so see the cheese on top? And you can kind of see the consistency. It's not all the way down there. It's going to finish off in the oven, guys. I put it on broil and I put it on high, and I'm only going to leave it in there for like a minute or so. Everything is basically done except the top of the eggs. So we're going to do that, okay? Let's put it in the oven. Okay guys, so we got all that done and we have everything ready to go into the oven. So I'll come back once I take it out of the oven and we'll see the finished product and we'll enjoy our lazy man's breakfast. Okay guys, here's that beautiful, beautiful dish. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? You can see the spinach, you can see pieces of mushrooms poking through out of there. You can see all that wonderful cheese melted on top. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. We gotta take a picture of this. It's so pretty. So let's finish cutting it. Let's cut this, guys. Let's cut it. Oh, let's get a nice piece over here, huh? How does that look? Cheesy. Look how hot that is, guys. Look at that. That's our lazy man's breakfast. And with my lazy man breakfast, I'm going to have like a couple of little slices of tomato to go with mine. And a couple of beautiful pieces of avocado. Yes. And like I said, if you want toast, you can have toast with it. Although I'm not going to have toast. Let me get a fork so I can taste this for you guys. And we can see how it tastes, but it looks beautiful. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Let's take a taste. Look at there, I got a big old piece of mushroom, and I got some spinach. And I got some cheese. Look at that. Let's see. It's hot. I have to blow my food. Yum, this is good. The juiciness of the mushrooms. Oh, the juiciness of the spinach even. And the cheese. This is a wonderful breakfast, guys. Get in the kitchen and make yourself one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now. Love you guys. Bye-bye.